The thumbnail. Woo! I've been seeing these at Walmart, guys. It just came out in Canada. The States, you guys had them for a while, but not us Canadians, you know? So it's time for a Canadian, Argentinian to do the review. You guys can see. Wow, people are interrupting my video, my fly video, guys. We're in the fly world right now, baby. Let's get it. Ooh. That's how it looks. Mmm. Oh, yes, baby. Need a thumbnail. That's the thumbnail, guys. Let's try out these cheese puffs, Cheetos, of course, Flaminhot. I haven't had this in so long, guys. I'm saying the puffs. I'm not really a fan of the puffs, but wow. These go hard. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Yo, these slap, guys. These slap. Mmm. These are bomb. Mmm. These are so good. I can eat the whole bag right now. But I'm not going to because I have to work out. Mmm. I give you guys thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. It means it's a pass. Go out to your local Walmart convenience store and try these out, guys. New in Canada. Mmm. Wow. Let's get this video to 100 likes. I'm gonna ask my brother or sis if they want to try this too. Let's go. Wow. Hold on. So my sister doesn't like Cheetos, she said. That's pretty weird. Or maybe she's just being grumpy. I need some water. Who are you? Interrupting my video. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. My brother's showering. I don't want to bother him. And he doesn't really like to be on my videos that much. So you already know. Hey. I'm gonna end the video here, guys, because my dog's driving me nuts. You're now leaving the flower road. You guys already know. Subscribe, hit that like button. Drop off a comment. Just remember one thing though. I'll be back though. Yeah, stay fly.